Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today, we're gonna show you how to remove a garage door, even if this is your first time and you've never tried it before. So I hope that by the end of this video, it will be a successful thing that we're showing you and not like how to not do it or how to avoid hospitalization while removing a garage door. But we're gonna try it out. So basically what we've got here is we've got a in-law suite we're building in this garage. We need to remove these so we can frame this up for a wall and some windows. And in order to do that, we got to remove these stinking garage doors. So what the interwebs say to do is get some 1/2-inch steel rod like that, grab 2 of them, and basically put it in this little cranky doodad, loosen the tension from the spring. So let's try it. From 10. I don't think that's gonna be a big deal. I picked up a garage door before. Oh, that's pretty heavy.
Is it go? Just okay.
My arm's shaking.
Biggest thing is just make sure them bars get seated every time.
Yeah.
That's what I saw happen. They didn't get it in all the way.
Yeah, that's. And then it would go.
Tore the whole side of the building out. Well, that's all come loose.
Oh, feel it. Feel the burn. It's like playing a game of arm wrestling with the garage door. It's winning. I mean, like I'm super sweaty. Yeah, that time it almost didn't want to seat in there really well. I don't think they tightened this one 30 times. I think a homeowner did this, and he tightened it about 10 times, and he's like, "Screw this."
That's enough.
Well, I mean, it was picking up the doors. So.
Like I can hold it like that.
Yeah.
Now. First
Yeah,
couple
probably
times
the
you
first
hold it
turn.
like that.
I mean, it would still, if you screw it up, it would. Just to recap on what the process is, you see 2 little set screws on there. These ones in particular had a little flat head, so I just used an adjustable wrench, loosened both of those. I should say I had my rod in one of those holes, and then I loosened them up. That way I could hold on to the pressure of the spring, and then you back the spring a 1/4 turn, put your other rod in, back at a 1/4 turn, put your other rod in, back at a 1/4 turn. As you go, it gets looser and looser, a little bit easier to hold it. There are some safety precautions that you should take. We didn't take those, and we didn't die, but right about this point, we realized that we had missed those.
So you know what we didn't do?
You gotta tighten that all back up, sorry.
We didn't unplug the opener. We didn't do any of the safety shit.
Pull.
So there you go. This spring is now loose. 1/2-inch pipe. What I think the only danger you'd run into is if you were putting the pipe in, that rod in, and you didn't get it in all the way, and it slipped, and then this thing really started to go. So maybe what you do is you put like a little mark on your rod just to make sure that it's seated all the way in every time as you're walking that thing down. It's about 30 1/4 turns is what I've heard. But pretty easy. DIY, you can do it. So I hope this video empowers the spirit of a handyman inside of you. You can do it, and hopefully this video helped. Comment down below if you have any horror stories of doing a garage spring or success stories of doing a garage spring. I'd love to hear those. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.